If I eat peanuts, I get 15, 16 cankers. Most of them will go away with magic mouthwash. However, sometimes I'll get a persistent, stubborn one. This will get me through until I can see a doctor or a dentist. This helps for temporary. Make sure you see your doctor and dentist. We're gonna do something old, something new, something borrowed, and something blue. Okay, something old. We got benzoin tincture. This stuff is wonderful. It'll kill bacteria. Something borrowed would be our baking soda, so we're gonna borrow that. Something new, the Orajel, and something blue, well, that'll be gentian violet. 1 milliliter of benzoin tincture. That was cool. We got Orajel, we're gonna do just one thing of 15.15 grams. We're gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this first. And then we're gonna put 6 drops of gentian violet. This will stain everything. So put a big warning, it'll stain everything. That's the blue. Once you got it mixed up, you got the benzoin tincture, that'll kill the bacteria. You got the gentian violet, that'll take care of the yeast. You got the benzocaine in the Orajel, and then you're gonna reduce the acid in the baking soda. Place it right where you need it. It will turn everything purple. Your whole mouth will go purple, your counter will go purple. Go ahead and put it on 2-3 times a day until you can get to see somebody. It'll work wonders for you.